Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the dollar yen, I mean, we definitely are posting down pretty decent throughout the Asian session. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I think this is possibly an A and that this is like a running ABC of B, and we're possibly already in a wave C. Now, if it just keeps on going down from here, then obviously the ABC crescent is over, but I have a feeling it's probably not going to do that. I think that it's more likely it's still going to go up. But if we go down to the shorter time frames, to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we definitely did have that double top that I'm often talking about, and we definitely did get a breakdown. So I would be keeping a close eye out for like lower highs. If you see a nice lower high, I would go short. And then when you go short, you would just have to observe to see if it does something like this, which would be corrective, or if it does something like this, which would be impulsive. So we're just going to have to try to observe price. I have a feeling that we're in a correction right now to the uptrend. But if it starts to become impulsive and you go short right here and it becomes impulsive and it just keeps on going and going and going, then that's like a bonus trade. If you go short thinking that it's a crescent to the uptrend, but then it turns into an impulsive downtrend, that's going to be good news. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.